Alright, this is my slideshow on my psychology project. So what I'm trying to be right now is a military psychologist. My name is Dallin Hamby from California. Right. So the job description for a military psychologist is basically they provide what regular psychologists provide to other clients, but it's just in a military setting with military clients. So you have to deal with PTSD, and other general problems that military clients would go through. So therapeutic services, counseling, substance abuse is big in the military, so um, you do that. Taking preventative measures for clients, so before um, things happen. And then also you can participate in military research activities if you want to go on that path. So there is research in the research psychology in the military. Next, educational requirements. Obviously, a degree in psychology, level degree. You have to go and get your doctorate as well as your bachelor's. Certification. You got to pass a licensing exam, and then it goes by state. So each state has different licensing requirements. And you also, yeah, so it helps to get a certification from the ABPP, or the American Board of Professional Psychology. And then it's great to have work experience. And then some key skills listed with patience, compassion, observational problem solving skills. Relation of education, 4-year plan. So basically, it's pretty simple. Yes, it is related. I'm going for my psychology degree, so that lines up with the military psychology. Here's my personal picture. And why I'm majoring in psychology. So I'm majoring in psychology for a couple reasons. I think it's important to learn how and why we react to certain things, tendencies of the human body, the human mind, so we can, I don't know, it's good to know what's going on inside your brains, why you do things, why you feel certain ways. Also, it's really rewarding to me to be able to have good, deep, meaningful conversations with people. So every day we have these little surface conversations, which they're important, they have their place, but I think it's super cool to be able to get down and have deep conversations with people. And so in chapter 13, um, it really lined up. Or chapter 13 has a list of why people took psychology, what was important, and so I'm taking psychology because my intense interest, and I want to be able to help people. My presentation.